In today's video, I'll be sharing the recipe of eggless whole wheat pancakes. Yes, we'll be making super yummy and healthy pancakes, that too eggless and with whole wheat flour, not the regular maida. So stay tuned for this lovely recipe, Su's Food Corner special eggless whole wheat pancakes. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. Let's begin with this awesome pancake recipe. For that I have taken warm milk here, around half a cup. And yes, I will repeat again, these pancakes are eggless, so I am flavoring it with banana. So to this milk I will add half teaspoon of lemon juice, and this is warm milk, so instantly I'll just give it a mix and keep it aside for around 5 to 6 minutes. This can be used as buttermilk. So after preparing this, I have taken one large big ripe banana. If you are taking small banana, you can always take 2 bananas, but this one is the large one. To flavor it, I have used 2 green cardamom pods here. You can also use 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and to a blender I'll add 5 tablespoons of sugar and these 2 cardamom pods and blend it nicely, so that two things can happen. First, we'll get the powdered sugar, and second, our cardamom pods will be nicely blended. This will give a very nice flavor to our pancakes. And now to it, in the same blender I'll add the bananas, and the prepared buttermilk goes in. To this now I'll add 1 tablespoon of melted butter. This will add a very nice zing to our bananas, and now the puree is ready. So for the dry mixture, I have taken a bowl here. To it I'll add whole wheat flour atta. Yes, we are making eggless banana pancakes, that too in whole wheat flour, not the regular maida or the all-purpose flour. So here I have added the atta, 1 pinch of salt, baking powder goes here 1 teaspoon, and baking soda goes here 1/4 teaspoon. So all these dry ingredients I'll just sieve one, so that they can become nice and airy. And as we are making eggless pancakes, that too with whole wheat flour or atta, so special attention is given so that these pancakes can turn supremely soft. So now after sieving these dry ingredients, the blended puree goes in, and I'll just give it a mix. And we need this batter to be a pouring consistency, so I need to add some more milk, but here I am adding warm milk. Make sure you add warm milk. This will help to rise the batter. So just I have mixed this batter and it's perfect. The consistency you can see, it should be pouring consistency as I had said, and our batter is ready and we can make instant pancakes from this. So we don't need to rest this batter for more than 3 to 4 minutes. It's done. So now let's prepare the pancake. I have added some oil in a non-stick pan. You can also add some butter. Just use your tissue paper to wipe them uniformly in this way. Spread it uniformly on your tawa or griddle, and it should be heated on medium flame, and pour 1 spoonful of the batter and just leave it so that it can spread uniformly. And you can see beautiful small bubbles will appear on the upper surface. The trick to a nice pancake is that we won't wait till the entire surface dries out. Before the upper surface dries out, we'll just flip it off carefully. Just first separate the edges in this way as I am doing, and you can see there's still moisture on the upper layer of my pancake. So now it's perfect time. I'll flip it. So this is how the pancake should look like. Once you flip it up, it will just swell up again. So the pancakes have turned out super soft. You can see how soft they are. So the pancakes are done. In this way we can prepare the rest of the pancakes. It's done here. And make sure that the griddle or the tawa should be on medium flame, and after pouring wait till the bubbles appear, but make sure you flip it before the entire upper surface dries out. We don't want it to be over dried. So just separate the edges in this way so that it's completely separated from the base, and now carefully flip it up, and our pancakes are done. Very quickly you can make the pancakes instant breakfast, and the taste is awesome. You can also replace the green cardamom pot with some vanilla essence. So in this way we can make instant and healthy breakfast for our family in those morning hours, hectic morning hours actually. So now it's time. I'll serve these pancakes. The main catch of my recipe is that it's eggless, and I have prepared it from whole wheat flour atta, and I have also used banana. So wholesome breakfast ready in minutes, and you can see how beautiful they are looking. And to top it off, I have used some banana. You can use other fruits, and some strawberry syrup. You can also use some chocolate syrup, anything you wish. And these pancakes were super yum, super fluffy. Try out this recipe and let me know how it turned out. I'm sure we'll love the texture and the taste of these pancakes. And as I said, I do make a lot of variations. Gradually I'll share some other recipes. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment of the day from Sai Mahaswata. She writes, I like your talking when you shoot video. It's full of confidence. I don't know how to cook food, but when I watch your video, I think I will be expert in cooking now. You are the best cook in the world. I like it so much. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Sai, for such beautiful words. And yes, your comments do encourage me to post videos, and I'm so glad that you are actually learning by seeing my videos. Thank you for all your love and support. And yes, I'm actually down. I'm actually recovering from cold, but still then my voice will sound a bit different. So thank you for bearing with me, and thank you for watching these videos. And for this recipe, eggless whole wheat banana pancakes, these are super yum, super tasty, and can be made very easily. And do try this recipe. As I said, gradually I share many versions of these pancakes. I do make a lot of versions of pancakes because I find them really easy to make in those, as I said, morning hectic hours. Stay tuned to my page, and you can also follow Su's Food Corner in Instagram and Facebook. And if you have liked today's video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.